Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share another interesting information about brown ale. History of brown ale. Brewers in London, England first used the term brown ale in the late 17th century. Back then, brown ales varied in alcohol strength, were lightly hopped and brewed mostly from the brown malt. As more and more brewers opted to use cheaper and more readily available pale malts as a base, brown ales lost their luster in the 18th century. The term brown ale reappeared in the late 19th century with the production of Mann's Brown Ale in England. With its release in 1925, Newcastle Brown Ale set the stage for the success and future popularity of the style. In 1986, American craft beer pioneers Petter Slottsburg and Mark Bronder released Petter's Wicked Ale, the beer largely responsible for establishing the American brown ale as a commercial beer style and category for beer competitions. Since the 80s, innovation has prevailed, giving way to many new and different twists on the old school brown ale recipe. Prime example of uniqueness found in the style is Rogue Ale's Hazelnut Nectar. Brewery founder Jack Joyce explains that his beer involves a twist, the addition of actual nuts in the brew. The original nut brown didn't have nuts in it, Joyce explains. The hazelnut is the official nut of the Oregon and were the largest hazelnut producing state in the nation. This modified brown ale is widely distributed and remains the brewery's second best selling beer and is still, in many ways, a tradition brown recipe.
The style spectrum. According to the late beer writer Michael Jackson, the designation brown ale includes dark brown ales from the south of England, reddish brown ales from the northeast of England, and even the slightly sour brown ales of Flanders. According to the Brewers Association, there are 5 styles of beer with the word brown in the title, and several more that falls into the brown color spectrum. Recognized brown ale styles. English style brown ale. English style brown ales are copper to brown in color. Medium body ranges from dry to sweet maltiness and very little hop flavor or aroma. 3.3 to 4.7% ABV. Belgian style brown ale.
Belgian style brown ale blenders are light to medium bodied, deep copper to brown in color. Characterized by a slight to strong lactic sourness, low to medium bitterness and cocoa-like character from roast malt. Oak-like or woody characters may be pleasantly integrated into overall palate. 3.8 to 5.2% ABV.
German style brown ale. German style brown ale are copper to brown in color. Medium body, malty flavor hop character may be low to medium in the flavor and aroma. 3.6 to 4.4% ABV. American style brown ale. American style brown ales are deep copper to brown in color. Medium roasted, malt caramel-like and chocolate-like characters, low to medium hop flavor and aroma, medium to high hop bitterness and a medium body. 3.3 to 5% ABV.
Thanks for watching the video.
For more such videos, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.
Cheers!